Hey, Lincoln Middle School band families and musicians, welcome to the final push. We are officially in the most exciting, the most important part of our entire spring season. It is time to get focused, get loud, and get ready for showtime. All right, so let's just dive right in. We've hit that part of the year that some people call the long haul. But I don't want you to think of it as a grind, not at all. I want you to see this as the final thrilling chapter of the amazing story we've all been writing together this year. This is where every single note, every single practice session, it all comes together. This is, without a doubt, the most important part of our journey. So here's the big question for every single musician out there listening right now. Are you focused? I mean, really focused? Because this is the moment to dig deep, block out all the noise, and just bring your absolute A game, your best concentration to every single rehearsal and every practice session you have at home.
And why is that focus so incredibly important? Well, it's because we are gearing up for our main events. These aren't just some dates we circle on a calendar. They're the premieres, the big shows we have been working towards all this time. This is the whole reason we picked up these instruments. So let's take a look at the timeline.
Okay, here they are, the two crucial dates for this final mission. First up, on May 6th, we've got the 6th grade band, the 6th grade jazz, and the 7th and 8th grade jazz ensembles. Then, on May 28th, the 7th and 8th grade concert band takes the stage for their grand performance.
So the question is, how do we get ready for these huge performances? Well, it's not magic, and it's definitely not one giant leap. It's a daily mission. It's about a commitment to focus every single day. This is how we build something truly amazing, one day at a time, and we do it together.
And the real key to that mission, it's this number right here, 20. We are continuing our April practice challenge, and the secret weapon, the thing that's going to make all the difference, is just 20 minutes of focused practice every day. That's it. That is the key that unlocks absolutely everything.
And this idea is so important, the distraction-free zone. When you sit down for those 20 minutes, here's my challenge to you. Put the phone away, put it in another room, turn off the TV, focus entirely on your music. Because when you block out all that noise, you make space for your creativity to really take over.
This right here perfectly illustrates our ultimate goal. We've been talking about this in rehearsal, about the huge difference between just, playing the right notes and truly creating music. We want to move from just being technically accurate to delivering real, heartfelt expression. And that's that higher level of creativity that only comes from deep concentration. Okay, let's break it down by ensemble, starting with our amazing 6th grade band. Your mission is absolutely critical. You are on deck for that first big concert on May 6th, so here's exactly what you need to be focusing on. Your objectives are super clear and simple. First, your daily work, those 20 dedicated minutes on your concert music. Second, you do have a test coming up. It's number 19 on page 39. So the big takeaway here is that every single minute of practice from now until the concert is about being totally and completely prepared for May 6th.
Now, let's shift gears to the 7th and 8th grade concert band. Your spotlight is May 28th, and I know that might feel like it's a long way away, but trust me, the hard work you put in right now is what's going to define how confident you feel up on that stage.
So, to really sharpen our skills, you've got a test on what we're calling the rhythm ladder. You'll be asked to perform this exact sequence of rhythms on any note you choose. We'll go from half notes, get faster and faster all the way to 16th notes, and then bring it right back down. It is an awesome exercise for precision and control.
All right, 6th grade jazz band, let's talk about your mission for the May 6th show. You have been working so incredibly hard on your current tunes, but we are about to add a brand new, exciting challenge into the mix.
So you've been grooving on Blues Adventure, Time to Go, and Homework Blues. Well, we just handed out a new piece called Wait, What? And the challenge is on. If we keep this high level of focus, we can absolutely get this new piece ready for the concert. And just a quick reminder for you all, this performance on May 6th will be your final one for the season.
And for our 7th and 8th grade jazz band, your mission is all about refinement and polish. You've got a fantastic set of music already under your fingers, and now it's all about making it sparkle and shine for your final performance.
So your objective is pretty simple. Take the music you already know and just make it shine. Let's polish every single piece for the May 6th show. I want us to obsess over every note, every rhythm, every dynamic. And just like the 6th graders, remember, this is the final performance for our jazz ensembles this season, so let's make it our best one yet.
Okay, so that brings us to the final countdown. We've covered the mission, the practice goals, the objectives for each and every ensemble. Now is the time to pull out your calendars and synchronize them. Let's make sure these dates are absolutely locked in.
Let's hit them one more time so nobody forgets. May 6th. That's the big night for our 6th grade band and both of our amazing jazz ensembles. Then on May 28th, it is the 7th and 8th grade concert band's time to shine.
As we start to wrap this up, I want to leave you with this incredible thought from the great Leonard Bernstein. He said, "Music is the emotional life of most people." What we're doing here, you guys, it is so much more than just playing notes on a page. We are learning to express ourselves, to connect with an audience, and to create something that has real, honest, emotional power.
So here's the bottom line. Let's bring our best focus, our best energy, and our absolute best creativity to these final few weeks. Let's make this finale completely and totally unforgettable. Rock on!